Hey everyone, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today we are diving into something deliciously simple, the perfect corn on the cob. But first, Archie and I started our day with our usual workout. And a quick breakfast.
Here you go. Okay. Good. Huh? This is mine.
Now, let's jump into today's recipe. First, get your pressure cooker ready while the water is boiling. Peel and halve your corn. Once the water is bubbling, add in all those beautiful corn cobs. Close the cooker, turn off the heat, and let them sit for 45 minutes to an hour. While our corn is getting cozy, let's prepare some surprises. Chop up some fresh coriander. Squeeze in half a lime. And add a dash of chaat masala and paprika. Mix it all up nicely. And don't forget to have some melted butter on standby. You can mix it all together for an extra flavor kick. Now time to unveil our corn. Look at how perfectly cooked they are. We have been watching Back to the Future while cooking and we'll keep enjoying it while we eat. Take out those corn cobs and press on that delicious mix you just made. And voila! Enjoy our perfectly done, spicy and absolutely delicious corn on the cob. said I eat only this much?
Yeah.
How much you gonna eat? That's much you get in the Chinese restaurant. Later in the day, Archie enjoyed his leftover orange chicken from yesterday. More?
Yeah.
Archie. More?
Yeah.
Archie?
Okay, that's
Take more if you want, okay? On fork?
four. Yeah, four.
And that's how we wrap up another day here at Robby Hobby. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking.